All right, lesson 10, washing bar glasses. There are 3 ways to wash bar glasses. 1, using a mechanical dishwasher. 2, washing glasses manually using a 2-compartment sink. Or 3, wash glasses manually using a 3-compartment sink. The dishwasher use is explained in the previous paragraph. The 3-compartment sink. This system uses a 3-compartment sink in which a sanitary brush and detergent are placed in the first compartment. Glasses are put in upside down and rubbed against the brush to remove any dried on material. The glasses are then rinsed in clean water in second compartment and then sanitized with new foam, again new foam, or other sanitizing tablets in the third compartment. Then the glasses are air dried. A test kit must be available to ensure that the sanitizer is at 50 parts per million. This same 3-compartment sink may be used with an electrical brush in the first compartment. Next, the 2-compartment sink. This system uses an electrical brush and combination detergent sanitizer in the first compartment. Okay, so the 3-compartment, 2-compartment does a combo. The same chemical is again used in the second compartment at a strength of 50 parts per million. The glasses are then air dried. A test kit should be used to verify the strength of the sanitizing solution. Okay, next, wiping cloths. These are important but often neglected tools in the promotion of food safety. It is recommended that separate cloths be used for food contact surfaces. Example, cutting boards and a slicing machine, and non-food contact surfaces, counters and tables. Between uses, these cloths must be stored in a sanitizer solution with a strength of 50 parts per million and must be replaced when dirty. A sanitizer solution may be made by mixing 1/2 ounce of household bleach with a gallon of warm water. When using frequently, this solution will lose its strength quickly and must be changed often. When not in use, it must be replaced every 2 hours. All right, next. Cleaning and sanitizing fixed equipment. Okay. Some equipment is too heavy to move around and too large to place in a sink. Therefore, a different cleaning and sanitizing method has to be used for such equipment. All right. The equipment must first be disconnected from its power source, and then all removable parts should be removed, washed, rinsed, and sanitized in a sink. All other remaining food contact surfaces must be washed with a cloth and soapy water, then rinsed and sanitized with chlorine bleach solution that is 100. I repeat, 100 parts per million strong. So for equipment, it has to be 100 parts per million. For dishes and glasses, 50 parts per million strong. The strength of this solution is double that of the solution used for immersing dishes. An ounce of household bleach, 1 ounce, not half ounce, 1 ounce, full ounce of household bleach in a gallon of water will be 100 parts per million. All parts should then be air dried and all food contact surfaces covered when the equipment is not in use. All right. Next, 2-compartment pot wash sink. Adequate facilities should be provided for washing pots and pans. A 2-compartment sink may be used for this purpose. This sink cannot be used for dishwashing as that requires a 3-step process, hence the need for a 3-compartment sink. Next, drying facilities. Adequate facilities must be provided to air, dry, washed utensils and equipment. Adequately sanitized drain boards or easily movable dish tables that conform with NSF international standards should be provided with separate ones for soiled and clean utensils. For more information, visit www.nsf.org. Drain boards and dish tables should be pitched a minimum of 1/8 inch per foot and drainage directed into a sink to prevent contamination of other areas of the dish table or drain board. Drain boards may generally be at least 36 to 48 inches long and 30 inches wide. All right. Next, cutting boards. Cutting boards are important in a food service operation. Their construction and maintenance is critical to food safety. They may be made of food-grade plastic or hardwood that are non-toxic and do not transfer odor to or taste to foods. Cutting boards must be maintained by sanding their surfaces to keep them free from knife marks and gouges. Also, the use of separate color-coded cutting boards for raw and cooked foods helps to prevent cross-contamination. Okay? Cutting boards must be washed, rinsed, and sanitized between each use. All right. Last page on lesson 10. Gas-fired hot water heaters. This is dangerous. Gas-fired hot water heaters produce carbon monoxide as a waste product. All right. So they are poisonous. Monoxide poisoning is at risk. This is an insidious gas that can result in death when breathed. Thus, it is imperative that this gas be vented to the outside. Important considerations when dealing with a gas-fired hot water heater are: 1. Vent pipe must be made of rigid material and installed in an upward slope, then led to the outside air. Next, the gas flame should be properly adjusted so that it burns in a bluish color. The flame should be burning blue. Next, the heater must be tested for backdraft at the wind diverter. A severe backdraft can extinguish the pilot, put the light out, and cause an accumulation of gas that can result in an explosion. Okay, so if the light burner go out, it'll blow up. That means it's going building up to blow up. Also, any blockage can also cause carbon monoxide to accumulate inside the facility. Woo! Next, hot water supply requirements. The hot water supply should be sufficient to satisfy the continuous and peak hot water demands of the establishment. Hot water for hand washing should not exceed 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Obviously not, you burn your hands off. Hot water for mechanical dishwashing should be between 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 165 degrees Fahrenheit for washing and 180 degrees Fahrenheit for sanitizing. The water temperature for manual hot water sanitization should be at least 170 degrees Fahrenheit. And that concludes chapter 10.